Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to create and join a private server for completely free. And let's get straight into the video for 99 Nights in the Forest. So the first thing that you guys have to do is make your way over to the chart section. From here you will most likely see 99 Nights in the Forest trending, but what you can do is you can also just search it up, and once you find the game, basically you want to just go ahead and click on into it. You want to click on the two-player icon right here, which should be right next to the play button, and you want to go ahead and click create private server. Now once you go ahead and create the private server, you want to go ahead and just give your private server a name, and once you do that it will be for free as it says right here. So you can go ahead and click on buy now, and then you can go ahead and either customize it or you can just hit not now, and then that should basically be it. Now as you can see, my private server is right here and I can go ahead and join into it, and if I want I can also invite my friends, and then that is basically it. Now that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.